Hello students, this is chapter 2nd of class Social Study History part 3. In second part we had studied about expansion of company's rule. Now we will learn about subsidiary alliance. It was a system of alliance introduced in India by Lord Wellesley, in which the rulers were not allowed to maintain their independent army. Instead, they relied on the British for protection. मीन्स लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली ने इंडिया में एक ऐसा सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस किया इन विच द रूलर्स, जिसमें रूलर्स को अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट आर्मी मेंटेन करने का अधिकार नहीं था. मीन्स उनको अलाउ नहीं था कि वो अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट आर्मी मेंटेन करें. However, the rulers were to bear the cost of the maintenance of the army kept for this purpose. In case the rulers default on the payment, then some part of their territory was taken away as penalty. The Nawab of Awadh was forced to carry half of his territories to company in 1801. Hyderabad to surrounded territories of the same grounds. Means company Awadh, the Nawab of Awadh was forced to carry half of territories to the company in 1801. मीन्स कंपनी के ने उसको फोर्स किया, अवध के नवाब को फोर्स किया अपनी आधी फोर्स फोर्स आर्मी देने के लिए. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट टीपू सुल्तान. The British were ready to fight the Indian rulers whenever there was a threat to their political and economic interests. This was quite evident in the case of the South India state of Mysore. Mysore emerged as one of the strongest states in India under the leadership of Hyder Ali, ruled 1761 to 1799, and his highly capable son Tipu Sultan ruled from 1782 to 1799. The most profitable trade on the Malabar coast was controlled by Mysore. It was the same place where the British purchased pepper and cardamom. Tipu Sultan stopped this trade of pepper and cardamom along with sandalwood through his ports. He even did not allow local merchants to trade with the company. He had good relationship with French in India and modernized his army with their help. The British saw Hyder and Tipu as obstacles in their path. Tipu Sultan was killed defending his capital Seringapatam. British placed Mysore under the former ruling dynasty of Wadiyars and imposed subsidiary alliance on it. Means Tipu Sultan, the company was victorious in the last battle, the battle of Seringapatam. Tipu Sultan was killed defending his capital Seringapatam. Thus the Britishers crushing the major India states one by one. Now we will learn about British paramountcy. After crushing the major India states one after another, the British gained tremendous confidence. मीन्स वन बाय वन स्टेट्स जब उसने क्रश कर दिया तो उसको ह्यूज कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंस, and pursued a policy of territorial expansion which would make them a paramount power. Governor General Lord Hastings initiated a new policy of paramountcy. We will learn about paramountcy and new administration in the next chapter, in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching.